Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products on the market so you can buy with confidence. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best folding metal 42-inch double-door dog crate available, the New World Double-Door Folding Metal Dog Crate. If you're a pet parent with a large breed dog, this crate could be exactly what you've been looking for. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk size and structure. This crate is specifically designed for large dog breeds. With a length of 42 inches, it's spacious enough for breeds like Labradors, German Shepherds, Boxers, and more. Your dog will have plenty of room to stretch out and rest comfortably, which is key to reducing anxiety and promoting better behavior, especially when you're away. Now, this isn't just a big box of metal. What makes the New World crate stand out is its thoughtful design. It features a double-door setup, one on the front and one on the side, giving you flexible access depending on where you place the crate in your home. Whether it's against a wall, in a corner, or next to a couch, this design ensures both you and your dog get convenience without compromising comfort. Security is often a concern for pet owners, and New World takes that seriously. The crate includes two heavy-duty slide bolt latches on each door. These are designed to keep even the most determined escape artists safely inside. No more worrying if your pup will Houdini their way out while you're gone. Next up, assembly. This crate is fully collapsible and folds flat in seconds without the need for any tools. That means whether you're traveling, moving, or just need to stow it away for cleaning, it's incredibly easy to handle. It's practical and perfect for busy pet owners on the move. Let's also touch on the included accessories, a welcome bonus. Inside the box, you'll find a leak-proof plastic pan. This is a lifesaver for accidents, muddy paws, or even water bowl spills. It slides out easily for cleaning and fits securely at the base. You also get a divider panel, which is especially useful for growing pups. It lets you adjust the internal space as your dog grows, all while using the same crate from puppyhood to adulthood. And here's something dog lovers will appreciate. The crate promotes a den-like atmosphere. Dogs naturally seek out small, enclosed spaces where they feel safe and secure. This crate helps reinforce positive behavior, supports training, and can even reduce barking and chewing due to separation anxiety. It's also built to last. Constructed from durable metal, the crate is designed to withstand wear and tear from daily use. The black electro-coat finish isn't just for looks, it helps resist rust and adds longevity, which is especially important if you're planning to use it outdoors or in high-humidity environments. If you've got a large dog and you're looking for a safe, secure, and versatile crate that doesn't break the bank, this one checks all the boxes. Whether you're crate training a puppy, managing a rescue, or just providing your pet with a cozy space to relax, the New World Double-Door Folding Metal Dog Crate delivers solid performance and thoughtful design. And that wraps up today's review. If you're interested in learning more or checking the current price, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a product breakdown from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and give your furry friend a treat for us.